Okay, here we have the Aston-Martin. It's the 007 car. Mystery action means bump and go. It's got the machine guns in the front with lights and a clicking sound. It's got the bulletproof shield which raises and lowers when the machine guns are going off. And of course it has the mystery action bump and go, 2 D-cell batteries. It does have the roof which would open. Now the little guy that fires in the injection seat and man aren't here with the toy right now. I don't know if they exist with the collector that owns this or not. There's the manual lever that would release it. You would manually fire that to shoot your guy up in the air. The spring's there, the mechanism's there, so this part's all good. Let's see. Let's turn it on. So you've got a bump and go. Here's the machine guns. The rear bulletproof shield just came up, and now the bulletproof shield just went down. And then when the machine guns start up again, up goes the shield. And of course it's a bump and goer. No need to put it on the floor. We all know what bump and go looks like. So there you have it. If you've never seen the vintage Aston Martin 007 bump and go car before, now you have. Made in Japan, box is in pretty bad shape, but I mean some of it's here. Kind of lost a little bit of the texture, but unfortunately better than no box at all.